Hi guys, I am Krish, welcome to Weird Tech Gadgets. Here we have bring you some amazing cool gadgets which will increase your working efficiency and help in concentrating on work. Let's start with number 10. The MOONDROP. This gadget is inspired from the Apollo moon mission. Let me show you how. As we all know that the gravity on the moon is 1.6 meter per second square, or approx 1/6 of the Earth. The MOONDROP imitates the free fall of moon. It drops at the same speed as anything drops on the moon. Hope you got it. Same as the MOONDROP, it has its second type, called MOONDROP Mars. Same as the first one, it imitates the free fall of the Mars. What makes it really unique is it actually displays different gravity than it is on Earth. Made from aerospace grade materials, equipped with super precise slider, MOONDROP is a very satisfying fidgeting toy as well. You can flip it, slide it, spin it and fidget any way you like. We found fidgeting a great way to keep focus, not get distracted from meaningful works, relieve anxiety or just relax. So, if you like it, then you can buy this for the given link in the description. Number 9. In a time where the world is moving faster and faster, it is sometimes hard to take a break and to let go. We tend to forget that it's often two small and simple things that make us happy. What else would be better to relax and to unwind than bringing back the simplicity of your childhood by watching two toys overwind gravity? Also, simply having fun with your friends and loved ones is very precious in these hectic times. They have created business involves the fastest spinning toy on this planet, a fascinating city toys they invented in an elegant place. Benefit balls are made from two solid steel balls box welded together. They have used industry-leading coating technology materials for a perfect cleaning experience, exposed the light beams in bulk, also create fascinating light effect. Now on number 8. The Spark is a precision spinning top capable of spin times exceeding 13 minutes. Machined of a single piece of stainless steel, copper or brass, the Spark offers an elegant and fascinating escape from the daily grind. Priced affordably and expertly designed, the Spark is the perfect introduction to the world of spinning tops. The Spark will spin on any hard, smooth surface. If you want to go for a crazy long spin time, they recommend a glass surface. Specifically, check your local department store's makeup aisle for a cheap magnifying cosmetic mirror. The slight curve of the surface centers the top as it spins, reducing any chance of the top walking to the edge of the surface and toppling prematurely. Number 7. FidSy is the first modular fidget system. Assembly your own and fidget the way you want. FidSy is designed to be always with you. On the back of your phone, on a cube, on a keyring or even stand alone. Using FidSy is simple. It guarantees you the best fidget experience in a minimum amount of space. Number 6. They have designed this spinner thinking in all sizes of people's hands, thus they have given it an outside diameter of 45 millimeters. The screws of this spinner, as well as having an aesthetic function, also have a useful functionality when joining the two carbon plates that make up the toy. For the bearings of this spinner, they have done several tests with different bearings averages, being the R188 bearing that best suits our design, and, with the reduced weight of the carbon fiber, this has been the best choice. Number 5. Spin block helps bridge the gap between fidget toys and fidget spinners. Spin block is thin, portable, aluminum, and most importantly, it's fun. Big whoop, have seen these features before? True, you might have seen them before, but have you experienced them from a product with weight and quality? The spin block is composed of metal and many intricate parts. Once you pick up the spin block, you will instantly feel the satisfying weight and features. You will become a firm believer once you get your hands on it. While it is very simple on the outside, it took a whole lot of design work and many small components to create spin block. Number 4. Momentum 360 degrees is the very first centrifugal-powered hand fidget spinner made with strong durable aluminum, high-quality ceramic bearings, and computer precision cutting. It comes in 5 beautiful colors. Number 3. The raw fidget spinner was designed to be the showpiece in your everyday essentials and desktop accessories. It's smooth and compact so you can take it everywhere and sophisticated, so you'll be proud to display it on your desk. Whether you're constantly on the move or you work at a desk, we've got you covered. We spent a lot of time designing the raw fidget spinner to ensure it is extremely comfortable to hold. The rounded grooves act in a similar way as a worry stone where you can rub your thumb to help soothe anxiety. Number 2. This is small device, created for fidgeters, designed to be kept with you at all times, small enough to be carried either in your pocket, handbag or attached to your keys. It will bring you enjoyment. You can spin, roll, click, switch and roll in various ways. It will really help fidgeters to relax, relieve stress, concentrate and learn. Some people say that Fidget Gadget is rip of Fidget Cube. No. We went our way, they went theirs. Number 1. Fidgeting with Infinity Cube will improve your focus, allowing you to concentrate on the task at hand. It's the perfect office desk accessory, allowing you to fidget with one hand and work with the other. Take a break and fold it over and over again while you brainstorm ideas. Take a break from your stress-inducing phone and relax with Infinity Cube. A fidget break while studying or working will relieve the built-up anxiety and stress, clearing your mind to tackle that project. So how was these gadgets? Tell us in comment section. You can buy your favorite one by following link in the description box. Please like the video and share with your friends. Subscribe to this channel Weird Tech Gadgets for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.